we've now got 10,000 plus users that are on the platform. We can start talking to them, we can start researching them, we can start experimenting with different marketing campaigns and different features and functionality to see what really optimizes the platform best.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Blackbird CEO, Ian McDonough. Ian, very good to see you this morning. Can you tell us more about the news you sent out in the RNS this morning?
Yeah, thanks, Stephen. We've got some very exciting news this morning. We've seen some fantastic early adoption in our Elevate.io platform since we started marketing it just less than 3 weeks ago. So 4th of September, we kicked off a campaign. We've gone now to a number of targeted strategic markets around the world. And this morning, we're able to say that we've surpassed the 10,000 verified user mark. Just to note, a verified user means someone that's gone to the website, signed up on the website, and then also verified their email to the platform. So it really is kind of a 3-stage process. So we're really delighted to see that take up.
Ian, what have you learned from these numbers?
A number of different things. First of all, we've really learned how the proposition is landing and how users are starting to interact with the platform, which is invaluable. Secondly, we've done an awful lot of research now in terms of, and we'll do more, in terms of how much things cost, how much a user costs to acquire into our funnel, into our product-led growth funnel. And thirdly, we've really learned how stable and reliable and consistent the platform is, which has really backed up our hypothesis that the Blackbird technology, being tried and tested at the very peak of world sports and world news, is really standing up to that test. And I think the final thing is it's really supported our hypothesis of the wall of demand that we're selling into. So it's been hugely encouraging.
So what are the next steps in Elevate.io's GTM plan then, Ian?
For us, really, it's still about learning, Stephen. So we really want to get in, to understand much more about different markets. So we'll broaden this out to new markets. We'll get deeper in terms of that user journey. So really understanding which features, functionality, what volumes and length of content people are publishing. And finally, we'll be experimenting. So we've now got 10,000 plus users that are on the platform. We can start talking to them, we can start researching them, we can start experimenting with different marketing campaigns and different features and functionality to see what really optimizes the platform best.
Ian, I hope you'll keep us posted on any additional progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen. Pleasure.
That's Blackbird CEO, Ian McDonough.